Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, what I would like to walk you through is how you optimize your homepage for your brand, how you can make your brand synonymous with the services and the products that you provide, the keywords that you're targeting. And on top of that, I'll prove it all to you and make it make sense. So then you can start branding your homepage, becoming synonymous with the services and the keywords that you provide. And then you can support and back up all of that content, answering everyone's questions and targeting as many people as possible, helping them out with your services. So let's not waste too much time here. I'll walk you through this right now. So first and foremost, let me explain this to you. All right. So what I want to do here is I want to explain how this works. All right. So let's go ahead and grab this. So you have main entity. I'm sure you've heard of this, right? This is your home page, the main entity, home page. This is all about your brand. Whatever your name is, your business name, this is your main entity, the website, all right? The home page. These right here are going to be the services that you provide, all right? So let's say you are a lawyer, all right? So that's our first layer. We're supporting our brand. Next, what we want to do is we want to start talking about, well, where do we offer being a lawyer? So we'll build out, maybe we target 5 places. So these are the locations we do it in, right? So location, all right? Sorry for the spelling, I'm using my mouse. Homepage, service page, okay? Location pages, and then we can support these location pages with supporting pieces of content answering who, what, when, why, where, and how. This way we have our main brand, main entity. Here's the services that we provide right here, primary services. Next we have, okay, well, here's where we provide those services. And now let's answer the questions related to the services and the places that we provide them in. And everything is there supporting the homepage and helping each other all the way up. These pages are helping this is helping this is helping this. It all works together because it's all internally linked. Hopefully this makes sense. Now, what I want to bring you back around to is every top performing website, top local businesses, generally, almost 90% of the time, are going to be synonymous with the products and the services they provide. In fact, a majority of their traffic is going to be local based because there's so many people looking for them plus the service that they provide. Let me prove it to you. So let's just go out to a high competition SERP, all right? Any SERP that you want. We'll look for organic research, and let's come right into here. Let's look for car accident lawyer, Texas. All right, just a search. Let's find the top performer. All right, so here we go. We have Texas Legal Group. Here, let's do this. How about Texas Car Accident Lawyer? Because those are directories. All right. Now, when I search for a Texas Car Accident Lawyer, Texas Legal Group, Belgium Law Injury Lawyer shows up first. So what I'll do is I'll copy that link address. Authorities get a lot of brand traffic. Their name is synonymous with the term. If I put that particular domain in there, I can almost assure you that the majority of their traffic is coming from brand, people looking for their brand. You want your brand to be recognized and synonymous with the keywords and the services and the products that you provide. And putting the optimization on your homepage of anything other than brand is only going to cannibalize your supporting and your location-based service pages. The homepage is there to say, okay, here's who we are, and now here, how can we help you? Here's the locations and the services that we provide. Oh, did you need me to answer a question? Here's the information. That's what the homepage is there for. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this just so I can prove this out. We'll go ahead and look up their top keywords. All right. And the top keywords on a top performer for car accident lawyer in the state of Texas, a huge state, right? Very hard keyword, I am sure. If we scroll down the page, we're going to take a look. Bear with me here. And what do you have it? 24%, their highest percentaged keyword is their brand name, right? It's not an overwhelming amount, but like I mentioned, they've been able to build a brand. They have brand recognition, and their name is synonymous with being a lawyer in the state of Texas. Car accidents, trucks, every type of lawyer. I'm not an attorney, but you get the point, right? So what we want to do here is we want to go ahead and optimize our homepage around the brand. Now, what I would like to do is I want to walk you through this step by step, utilizing a live example, because I'm a visual learner. I'm sure you are too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to my client's website. It is Musto Insurance and Tax. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back. All right. I'll log in, and then we'll do it step by step how you can optimize the homepage for brand without cannibalizing your internal pages. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.